Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cassidy Coles. We are doing an unboxing with my favorite jewelry company, Penny Pairs. I am so excited. From their team to their packaging to their product, they're one of a kind. Today's video could not come at a better time with the holidays approaching. So if you need any gift ideas for your friends, family, coworkers, keep on watching. And for this unboxing, I will have everything linked down below along with Penny Pairs' website. Penny Pairs is the only affordable jewelry out there that I know of that doesn't rust or change colors when you wear them. And trust me, I religiously wear Penny Pairs jewelry. And I actually did an unboxing with Penny Pairs, I think last year, and all of that jewelry I still wear. It literally still looks brand new, and that's why I love them so much. So I definitely wanted to share this today on the channel. So going into the unboxing, first of all, their packaging is all made from recycled materials, and I love that so much. I'm very environmentally friendly. Fun fact, my first major in college was environmental science until I changed it to filmmaking. First it was theater, just fun fact about me. Gold jewelry is my favorite to wear. If you guys know me, you know I love gold jewelry. I am just like, gold jewelry, where, who? I want it. I just think it looks best on me, but Penny Pairs has any type of jewelry on their website. They have silver, they have gold. They even have jewelry with your birthstone. So mine is a yellow topaz. I wanna know what yours is down below. So today we are unboxing a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings, which I've never actually owned a bracelet from Penny Pairs. And I'm like, where have these been all my life? They've been a thing forever, and I'm like, wow, I've been missing out. But don't worry, because my life has changed now, and I'm never going back. Also, my Penny Pairs jewelry came with cute little stickers. Make every day special, certified golden girl. You know what? I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it on my hydro. We have looking good. We have pearls for every girl. Golden hour, summertime, feeling fine, and their Penny Pairs logo. And also in this cute little zip up bag from Penny Pairs, it comes with these 3 things. So first one, it says, congratulations, you made the right choice for our future. And it's just a little bit of info about how they make their products. They're all from 100% recycled silver and conflict-free, sustainably sourced materials. We love to see it. They also go into how their products are a timeless design, which trust me, they are. They will never go out of style. A cute little cloth to clean off your jewelry. So all of this stuff, beautiful. So going into the jewelry, which I am so excited about. So you unbox it like this, and then they have these cute little pouches, which you can use as a safe place to store your jewelry. So first piece we're looking at are these gorgeous gold hoops. These ones are the Ivy gold hoops. The only earrings you'll see me in are theirs because they're the only ones I've found that genuinely stand out. And these classic gold hoops are everything. They're such a statement piece, and the medium size makes it perfect for daily use because they go with everything. Also, for these hoops, you don't have to worry about them falling out of your ears or anything, because for their products, they have this snap closure, which is the most satisfying thing to put on. When you put them on and close them, that little click just and then putting them on is the easiest thing ever. I always wear nails, and sometimes I find that, wait, you heard that click? Sometimes I find with other jewelry, it's the hardest thing to put on with nails, and they make it just so easy. I feel like these Ivy gold hoops are the perfect twist on the classic gold hoop. If I had to pick my favorite kind of jewelry, it would be earrings. I think jewelry in general just changes the look like no other, but if I had to choose, earrings are my favorite. And next would be necklaces, for sure. So let's move on to our necklace. And unboxing our necklace, we have, just ready for it? Are you ready? Look at that, just shining away. Like she shines, and then you put her on, and then you shine. This one is the rope chain gold necklace. Jewelry can make any outfit go from average to extraordinary. Like the power you feel when you wear this is just unlike anything else. And once again, putting this on with nails is completely easy. Just beautiful. This necklace in particular has a rope detailing, so it's the perfect one to wear on its own for a statement, or it's very easy to pair with other necklaces to get a layered effect. For example, if you wanted a layer effect, here are a few of my other Penny Pair necklaces. And just to give you an idea on how good this necklace looks paired with other necklaces. And just like that, we have the gorgeous layered effect. I love them either way. I think the more gold jewelry, the better, but I do love the one necklace statement piece. I'm big on statement pieces, and each of these 3 items that I have today are all statement pieces. And because this necklace is a rope chain, it has a thicker chain on you, so it definitely does stand out so much. And for our very last jewelry piece, we have the bracelet. The bracelet, like look how much that stands out on my wrist. Okay, so this one is the herringbone bracelet in gold, of course, and I am obsessed with this thick chain it has on it. Also, side note, I did get this on by myself, but I had to lay down my wrist and then like wrap it over and hook it on the other side. But can we talk about how she is just the moment right here? Like, she is the moment. I don't know how I've lived my adult years without owning bracelets. I mean, this is a game changer. I feel like I look older, I look expensive thanks to her, even though she's affordable, but she will make you look expensive. This herringbone bracelet would also be the perfect one to start layering up. Like, this one is the statement piece, and then you can get other bracelets to kind of pair with it, maybe some thinner ones, maybe some thicker ones. Either way, she stands alone, or she would also look great pairing with other bracelets as well. It is so dainty yet so sexy at the same time. I'm like, hey! Long sleeves who? I never want to wear long sleeves. I just want to wear this. I want everyone to see her for what she is. And for our very last item, I am so excited for this one. Just wait. We have Penny Pair's large jewelry case, and even though she may look small and compact, what she has inside of her, I mean, beautiful on the outside, even more beautiful on the inside. So their large jewelry case, it comes with spots on the inside for your earrings, and then we have a spot right here for your rings. It even comes with a cute little cloth. And then of course we have the large compartments, and then the 4 smaller ones over here for your necklaces, your bracelets, anything like that. And the mirror, of course. And I am not done yet. Are you ready? Are you even ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. When she said she was a large jewelry case, she means large. I'm honestly mind blown by how much could fit into this jewelry case, and it's so compact and perfect and has all that you need in it. And I love how modern and sleek it all looks. We have the black and gold detailing, and then we have the gorgeous beige brown on the inside. And right now all of my Penny Pair's jewelry is in their cute little pink pouches, and I will be moving her all to this right now. So that was the unboxing today. I hope you guys all enjoyed, maybe got some good gift ideas. All of these pieces are timeless, and anyone you gift Penny Pairs to, they'll be obsessed with them. I mean, how can you not? I also would love to know your favorite piece down below. Are you an earrings person, a necklace person, a bracelets person? I am living for this unboxing. 100 out of 10 recommend. Penny Pairs is truly one of a kind, the best affordable jewelry out there, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Love you.
What's up, guys? I'll do another bikini haul, just you gotta wait. Right now I'm just gonna do what I like.